Hello everyone and welcome. I am TruTechDad and today I'm unboxing something a little different here. I am unboxing the Ninja Foodi. It is a pressure cooker and a air fry crisper, and we're going to be using this and eating. So I'm going to get this open so we can see what's in here, and I'm pretty sure y'all want to know what's in here too. Open it here, we have a whole lot of information. This time I get to know it. Looks like an instruction booklet, a recipe book. Let's open this real quick. So, yep, recipe book. All these different recipes. All right, then we got the Ninja Foodi TenderCrisp pressure cooker, OP300 series. The owner's guide, and then it comes with a cooking cheat sheet. So I guess it's telling you how long something's going to take. What is this? 4 pound fresh pork shoulder, 4 pound, 1 cup of water. High for 1 hour 30 minutes. That's for pressure. Then we got frozen French fries, 1 pound. Cooking crisp basket, 350 degrees at 19 minutes. So, and it gives you a little bit more other stuff to using it and everything like that. So we'll put that to the side and get this thing out of this box so you can see what it looks like. Box. And here, this is the lid. Right here, it's got the lid. It's got the Ninja name on the top here, and looks like this is saying that the front of the lid is here. Top here, right there, and we got a little grill thing here. Not really sure what it is. Here it is right here. This is it. Alright. I don't see anything else in there, but I'll check. So this is it. Nice size. It's not too heavy. The front is here. And this is the air frying. This is the air frying basket. Like a little fan under there. This is the little non-stick coating thing I had here. And here is just a little. Alright. Got some words there. And here's your power button here. A couple of buttons down here. It says air crisp, bake, roast, and broil. Then we got pressure, steam, slow cook, and get on this side. Okay, sear and saute. It has everything. So we've been looking for an air fryer and a pressure cooker, and this has the best of both worlds. From the reviews that we saw, and it had the best reviews on it also. But I'll be the judge of that and give y'all some information on that also in my next video. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll get to them in the next video. I can't wait to try some fries in here because I'm a burger and fry guy, and if I can make the burgers and cook the fries and they end up being ready at the same time, I'm ready for that. Because we're excited about this. I'm excited about this, and I'm ready to get this thing going. So there's a lot that I have to learn about this, but I'll put that in the next video, more stuff. And we might even make something in it. So, because I'm seeing here, you can put a whole chicken in here. Made some noise. So, you can say, I'm saying you can put a whole chicken in there, get it all ready. Try this out, make some fries. Oh, it even says you can make burgers on it. So, let me see here. It says a 4-pound burger patty, cook and crisp basket. You can put burgers in here too. Yeah! Fresh Brussels sprouts. Oh, no figure. What? Fresh boneless chicken, fresh pork shoulder, long grain white rice. Russet potatoes. You can make mashed potatoes in here, and steamed broccoli, and steamed corn, steamed asparagus, green beans, carrots. And you can air crisp like frozen breaded chicken nuggets. And then the TenderCrisp, that's a fresh whole chicken. So if any of y'all have this, and if y'all want to tell me a little bit of things about it, leave it in the comments. If you have a recipe that you'd like me to try, because I don't like Brussels sprouts, and if you do have a Brussels sprouts recipe I can try, leave it in the comments. If you have a good burger recipe, let me know. Alright. For this right here, this is the pressure cooking lid. There's two lids. There's the main lid. This is more for your air fryer. This one right here is for your pressure cooking. So on here there's an arrow here, and there's also an arrow here. Line this up with this one here, then turn. So that, yeah, this one stays on while this is cooking, but it's okay. It's not gonna hurt anything. It's not gonna go far if you try to close it or somebody tried to close it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. That's how we take it off. And in here is the cooking pot. Now, from what I can see here, max level is 18 cups. Yeah, 18 cups can fit in here. Then this is the cook and crisp basket. So this is where you can cook up some fries and whatever else. It's detachable. These things are detachable. So that comes off. Oh, you can also use this to steam like this and then broil. Okay everyone, I put some fries in here to see how it is. I preheated it for 1 minute, and I put some fries in here, and I want you to see this. I'm about to open up the top. You're gonna see this. Do you see that? Oh my god. This is awesome! Oh man, this is awesome! Oh wow. Look at that. Now this is cool. I'm impressed. Alright. I'm Phil the TruTechDad. I'm gonna get this thing going. Try it. See what it's like. In my review video, I'll give you more information on it. But hopefully you like this unboxing of the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and air fryer. And please, if you did like it, press that like button. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell to let you know anytime I put up a new video. So again, I'm Phil the TruTechDad. Talk to you later.